What's up guys, it's me Liam. So I'm gonna do a gun review. I actually post something I post a short that's called breaking at YouTube, but that was just a joke. So sorry, I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway, I'm gonna do another vlog. It's called block gun review. So I built a block gun last night. So let me show you. Our first one is the sniper. The sniper. Looks like a sniper. Dug, dug, dug. This is really like, look on it. And can't forget this one. This is I call this the horizon. And this one's like an axe, like when you like scratch it, or like when you like use it to kill you, when you use it to fight it. That you probably know that, right? And I call this the rival gun, like the Nerf rival. See, because like it's when you hold, this is how you hold it. And my last is the dual pistol. Yeah. Tell me what's your most favorite gun in the world, guys. Is it the dual pistol, the horizon, the sniper, the X-Charge super axe, or is it the rival gun? Just tell me in the comment anything you like. Okay, you might say on the comment nga, yeah, what's your favorite gun with the one you just built? Easy. Since I built all of these, I like the sniper and the horizon, the rival. Bye guys.